Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on insurance card scanning on your Amazon shopping. We will go to turn on this mark or know how you can do that on your account. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here and you just click here on settings. Then it's going to show for you window like this and you click here on permissions. So you go to next window here, you just waiting to show for your window and you go down here, so you keep going and you come here to insurance card scanning. You just click here on this mark and you just switch into turn on video, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean insurance card scanning it's turned on with us now. I wish know you agree. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.